Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the dollar bead box. Yes, so this is just $8 a month, and you get a lot in here for that. So we're going to dive right into it. Actually, I've had this sitting around for about 2 weeks. I just haven't had time to get to it actually, so I'm really late doing this. This is their March 2022 bead box. And I've already emptied it out, and we're gonna get started. So here we go. So this is their information right here, and so basically they're stating that as many of you may be aware, recent world events have created many shipping and supply issues for both procuring and sending products. Please be assured that we are doing all we can to provide you the highest quality products in the most timely way possible. Okay, and then it has all their social media on here and everything, and it tells you, lists what you get in the box. So we're going to get started, and some items come in a little baggie here, which is the strands usually do, but I already took everything out and sorted everything out. Okay, so, and I have this here because I have a project under there, well, other stuff that goes to this box, and a project that I don't want you to see yet. So let's get started with the strands here. The first is, I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. Let's see how this goes. Get that out. Oh, let's see. I'm just going to hold it in my hand there so you can see. These are really pretty. So these are 3 mil, and they are sapphire. 3 mil Czech fire polish. Aren't they pretty? These are really pretty. And I don't know about you, but I really need to build up my 3 mil fire polish stash. So these are really pretty. Can never have enough of these. Okay. And then next is a fire polish 3 mil in Siam satin. This is a really pretty color. Just love this color. This really makes whatever there you go, whatever you're making, necklace, bracelet, this color just really makes it pop. I just love it. And this has a nice sheen on it also. Trying to look at it a little bit closer. Kind of like an AB finish. So this is gorgeous. Okay, and then next is a 3 mil fire polish in watermelon. Look at this. Should I get in closer? I'm not sure. But this is really pretty. There we go. This is really pretty. It has a pop of pink in there that looks a little bit like metallic a little bit. But this is gorgeous. Really gorgeous. And then we have our last 3 mil, which is olive vitriol pink. Look at that. And this also has a pop of the pink purple metallic in there that I like. Look how pretty this is. This is really sparkly. So pretty. Okay, now we're going on to the 4 mil strands. The first 4 mil is in a bag. These are matte jet fire polish. 4 mil. It's always nice to mix textures with your project. It's really nice. Next we have matte light amethyst on a string. This is really pretty. And again, it's the 4 mil fire polish in matte. And then we have matte crystal in 4 mil. And I'll just take a few of these out. Yes, as I said, I'm really late doing this. Last for the 4mm fire polish is the matte purple velvet. Whoops, where'd she go? Here we go. And now we'll get started with all the rest of the items in the bag, which are more strands, which we'll start with under here. It's what I had hidden. So let's go ahead and see what we got. So this is a 4mm fire drook in transparent green, and there should be about 50 pieces on here. That's pretty. Okay, and then next we have a Czech glass pearl in matte light lavender. There we go. And this is pretty. Looks Eastery. And this is about 35 pieces. And then we have Czech glass pearl and pastel mint, which is 40 pieces you get on here. Another great Easter color coming up. It's really pretty. And then next we have Czech glass lentil and jet hematite, 35 pieces. See that? You get a lot in here for $8. And what do we have next? Czech fire polish, 5mm Czech fire polish in organic antique green, 25 pieces. This is pretty. And again, it has a nice texture on there to add to your piece. And the next there is a Czech glass tulip, 7x10mm, lavender opal pink wash, 15 pieces. So this is really pretty. You have that engraved detail on there. It looks like a little tulip for sure. And again, great for Easter. Okay, now we're on to the additional items. Let's see what we have here. All for $8. So let's see, first is 17mm Czech glass table cut Dragonfly, olive opal bronze wash. Look at that, isn't that cute? I'll get it a little closer. This is cute. You got your hole there. You got the design on both sides. How cute is that? Next we have 16x21 Czech glass oval flower white with pink wash, 2 pieces. I'll just pull out one. Isn't that pretty? And these are all, this is all great for Easter, these colors. It's just so pretty. Look at that. It's on both sides. It's a little metallic-y, actually. It's a little bit of a metallic finish on there. So that's really pretty. What else do we have here? 14mm Czech glass star of Ishtar. Rose luster pink wash, 3 pieces. You get 3 pieces here. I'm just going to pull out one. And you have the design on both sides. You get your hole going all the way through there. It's pretty. You get 3 of those. And next we have 8mm Czech glass acid etched drook in pastel green. There are 8 pieces in here. And I'll just pull out a couple. So this is a matte. These are really pretty. Very clean and polished looking. And again, it'll add that nice texture to your project. Whoops, there we go. Runaway bead. And next we have a 19 by 20 mil pewter. Whoops. Let me get this open. Let me get that centered. There we go. Look at that. A pewter angel charm in antique silver. Isn't that gorgeous? And it has your built-in bail in there. If you can see that or not, but it's in there. So there you go. And pretty little wings there. Okay, next is Czech fire polish 8 mil in olive, and you get 8 pieces. I'll just pull out a couple here. Look at that. I love when they're faceted like that because it really kicks off a lot of sparkle. Is that gorgeous? Yeah, you get a lot for $8. I hope I'm correct about that. Just certainly seems like a lot. I can't remember how much it cost. I haven't checked in a while. Okay, so what do we have here? 16 by 20 pewter leaf in antique silver, and you get 2 of these. These are really pretty. That detail in there. Very nice. And it's kind of like, you know, bent there. I don't know if you can see it's with it to make it look kind of real, you know. And what next? 11 by 14, a butterfly crystal, 4 pieces. 4 pieces. I'll get out 2. Where are we? There they are. And it has that AB finish on it also. And Czech glass Druk 5 mil in jet black. And you get 24 pieces in here. These are very nice. It has a bit of an oval shape to it. It's hard to tell here. Or a bit of a barrel shape, I would say. Vintage German flatback jet hematite 8 pieces. They don't have them numbered, so I think next time I'll just go through and number them. Again, these are really nice. This has a shiny finish on it. And there's the back. So I don't believe there is a drilled hole in these, so. Okay, 14 mil Czech glass cabochon matte green luster. So, and I don't believe these have a drilled hole in them either, so. It's pretty. And last but not least, we have a 8 by 12 mil Czech glass table cut rectangle light olive opal with travertine, 4 pieces. And these are pretty, and they do have a drilled hole going through them. That's nice. Okay, and last, a bonus item, soft flex beading wire, 0.019 medium diameter, in spring grain, 10 feet. Oh, this is, did I say beading wire? Yes, beading wire. And that is pretty. There we go. It is a metallic. Kind of, it looks like a metallic grain wire. Now, I don't really use wire in my jewelry. Come on, get off. I can get it off. Okay, so it's not memory wire. Whoops. I think I just made a mistake. It is pretty. I'll certainly use it for, sorry. I'll certainly use it for something, but where are you? Metallic wire. So there you go. That is your dollar bead box. How about that? For $8. Doesn't that go in there? It's a lot of stuff, huh? So if you liked my video and you find my content helpful, or my channel, please subscribe, and it would greatly help me out if you click the like button. That would help out so much. And take a look at my other videos if you want to see what I have been making. Just made this for Easter. Look at this. Is that gorgeous? The tutorial is on my channel, so take a look at that. And I know I'm forgetting to tell you something, and here is my, you can find me, my Etsy store, my Poshmark store, and my Shopify store, which is the beadedjewelstore.com. So you can find me there, and click that thumbs up button. That would greatly help me out, and I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my video. And don't forget to subscribe to the dollar bead box. It's a really great bargain to add to your stash, to build up your stash. So take care, everybody.